Once upon a time, there were two friends. One, a wildly successful businessman, and the other, Priya, a fearless myth breaker with a knack for challenging the world's most deeply held beliefs. One day, Priya decided to create a bold new video. She invited her friend over, setting the stage for an unexpected conversation. But this wasn't just any visit. As the camera rolled, Priya began throwing 5 common myths about successful people at him, watching his reactions unfold in real time. Would he defend them, disagree, or be completely surprised? This is a story about more than just success. It's about breaking down the misconceptions we all carry. So grab a seat and get ready to watch how a businessman responds when his success is put to the test in the most unexpected way. Are you ready? Let's get started. और बता कैसा है?
बस बढ़िया।
बढ़िया तो तू हो गई। गाड़ी, बंगला, पैसा, मीडिया में रोज इंटरव्यूज, ऐश है तेरी। चल छोड़, और बता कैसा है? बिजनेस कैसा चल रहा है?
हाँ ठीक चल रहा है यार, बस एकदम अगर मैं बोलूँ अपनी वो वाली लैंग्वेज में चंगा
नहीं चलेगा तो क्या ही होगा? बिजनेस कभी फेल हुआ है तेरा? मैं रोज सुनती हूँ इस बिजनेस इस सिटी में पहुंच गया, उस सिटी में पहुंच गया। गाय यू नेवर फेल। ओके, हम होते हैं ऑफिस में भी और रियल लाइफ में भी। खैर कोई बात नहीं, तू बता कुछ अपडेट है?
अपडेट हाँ यार नेक्स्ट वीक जा रहा हूँ मैं, दुबई जा रहा हूँ।
फिर से बिजनेस ट्रिप ना? मतलब तुम लोग बोर नहीं होते बिजनेस ट्रिप कर करके यार? सक्सेसफुल लोगों के पास और कोई काम नहीं है। थोड़ा पर्सनल टाइम निकालो यार, अपने फ्रेंड्स के लिए, फैमिली के लिए, कुछ खुद के लिए। मतलब बोरिंग सक्सेसफुल पीपल दो दे वर्क 24/7 बोरिंग, गाइस आर बोरिंग। पर ठीक है। सो बस इसी टाइम पे भी मेरी मम्मी, जो हमारे कन्वर्सेशन का एक बहुत ही अहम पार्ट थी, जो आपको पूरे कन्वर्सेशन में दिखाई नहीं दे रही हैं, बट इस टाइम पे उन्होंने एक और मिथ बोला। वो ये था कि लड़का बहुत समझदार भी तो है। दैट मीन्स ऑल सक्सेसफुल पीपल आर सुपर इंटेलिजेंट। या एंड हियर आई गो। समझदार? मम्मी समझदार तो है, सुपर इंटेलिजेंट है ये लड़का। क्योंकि तुझे लगता है तो सुपर इंटेलिजेंट नहीं होता तो तू इतना बड़ा बिजनेस कर लेता क्या? और सिर्फ सुपर इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है, लकी हूँ माय डियर फ्रेंड आशुतोष, द ग्रेट बिजनेसमैन ऑफ द ईयर।
बस रुक जा।
Well, that was it. Ashutosh, representing the successful elite in my video, has finally reached his breaking point after hearing my endless rant on the myths surrounding successful people. I think we have officially pushed him over the edge. So let's see what he says.
क्या कह रही है कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ? मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। अच्छा dude, you know what? Last week I broke up with my girlfriend. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। वाह भाई वाह। और and you know about my father-in-law, right? Not even my single penny is helping mom. So don't say कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। और क्या बोल रही थी? मैं 24/7 काम करता हूँ। 24/7 काम करता हूँ। 24/7 काम करता हूँ। मैं यहाँ क्या कर रहा हूँ? यार कुछ भी बोल रही है। हद है यार। मतलब अच्छा मैं भाई पूरा टाइम निकालता हूँ फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली एंड मोर ओवर सब छोड़ दो, अपनी हॉबीज परस्यू करने के लिए ना मैं पूरा टाइम निकालता हूँ। सो डोंट से 24/7 काम करता हूँ। वाह, मैं कभी फेल नहीं होता। वाह, जैसे तुझे तो पता ही नहीं है हाँ कि मेरे पिछले 7 प्रोजेक्ट्स क्या उनका हुआ यार? नहीं, हमें दे वर फ्लॉप राइट? एंड वो छोड़, व्हाट अबाउट माय ड्रीम प्रोजेक्ट? यू नो इट राइट? यू नो इट एंड यू नो व्हाट, लास्ट मंथ इट गॉट सेट। So don't say मैं कभी फेल नहीं होता। Dude, मैं भी फेल होता हूँ। मैं भी क्या, हर कोई फेल होता है। Okay?
I'm really sorry. You have to bear with me because I really wanted to bust this myth wide open right now. Because I know many of you think successful people glide through life without a single failure.
Be honest. We see them up there shining bright and think, wow, they have got it all figured out. But here's the thing, they fail a lot. The difference, they keep getting back up. So I really wanted to tell you a few stories here. Some you know, some you might not, but all of them prove that failure is basically part of the membership package to success. Shall I start? Please? Alright. So let's talk about Michael Jordan first. We all know him, right? The guy who's practically synonymous with basketball greatness. But did you know he missed over 9,000 shots in his career? 9,000? That's more than most people even take in a lifetime. He lost nearly 300 games. And wait for it. 26 times he missed the game-winning shot. Now, can you imagine that? If you mixed 26 chances to win, you'd probably quit playing, right? But Jordan, nope. He said, I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed. So next time you mess up something at work, just remember, you are still ahead of Michael Jordan's missed shots tally. Well, I also wanted to talk of this person, Elon Musk. He's sending rockets to space now like we send WhatsApp messages. But did you know SpaceX first 3 rocket launches literally blew up? I mean, picture that, building a rocket with hopes of it reaching space and then boom. Not once, not twice, but 3 times. So what did Musk do? Throw in the towel and say, well, maybe I'll just stick to the electric cars? Nope. He bet everything on a 4th rocket, and that's the one that worked. What would you do after 3 rockets blew up? I would probably stick to paper airplanes. Well, I also want to talk about someone closer to home. The great Ratan Tata. Remember when he bought Jaguar and Land Rover? People thought it was a joke, saying, oh, he's going to ruin the Tata brand. And when the Tata Nano did not take off as planned, the critics really had a field day. But Tata, he's a legend for a reason. He stuck with it, and now Jaguar and Land Rover are not only successful, but they're also status symbols, guys. Imagine if he had listened to all those people telling him, bhai, ye kaam nahi karega. Would we have the iconic Tata brand we know today? Think. And also I want to speak of this person, Thomas Edison. Let's go back in time, please. This man failed over 10,000 times, if I'm not wrong, before inventing the light bulb. People were probably like, Tom, seriously, just use candles. But Edison, he said, I haven't failed. I have found 10,000 ways that won't work. I don't know about you, but after about the 10th failure, I'd be switching careers, maybe starting a nice tea shop or something. But that's why Edison is Edison, and we are all sitting under electric lights today. And finally, this lady, J.K. Rowling. She's now a household name. But before Harry Potter took the world by storm, she was rejected by 12 publishers. 12. If I get 12 rejections, I am rethinking all my life choices. But Rowling, she kept going. And now Harry Potter is one of the best-selling book series in history. Imagine if she had stopped after publisher number 6 or 10. We'd all be missing out on the magic of Hogwarts. And honestly, where would we be without that? Friends, here's the truth. I know successful people fail, and they fail big. The difference is they don't stay down. So the next time you also stumble, remember it's not the end. It's just the part of the journey. In fact, you are in a great company. Who knows, your next failure might just be the stepping stone to your own legendary success story. And if it's not, we have got a pretty great story for family dinners. I know failure stories are the best. So, I hope I have motivated you enough. अच्छा वीडियो अभी और चल रही है. Let's continue.
Lucky and what did you say? Lucky and super intelligent. Wow, man. मतलब मैं ये बोलूँगा ना, लोगों का मिसकंसेप्शन है. आप लोग क्या करते हो कि हर चीज को ना, पूरी सक्सेस को आप लोग लक में जोड़ देते हो कि ये लकी है, ये लकी है. Dude, you know what? And you know it. I'm sure you know it, right? कि कितना मैंने हार्ड वर्क किया है, कितना मैंने कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया है, कितना मैंने सेक्रीफाइस किया. So don't say this all crap, right? And really, Priya, really, you need to break all this myth. Okay?
I don't. You just did.
Really?
Yeah. So well, did you see my conversation with my friend who I thought definitely he's a successful guy, but I had multiple myths about successful person, and I'm pretty sure you also have it. Like they're always happy, they are 24/7 working, they never fail, they're super intelligent, and yes, of course, they are lucky. But are they? So we all know about Ambani, Adani, Elon Musk, और हम बैठकर क्या बोलते हैं कि ये लोग लकी हैं, ये लोग अपना नसीब ऊपर से लिखवा कर आए. But we all forget that there are multiple efforts, so much of struggle behind their stories. So next time, कभी आपका फ्रेंड या कोई भी आपका रिलेटिव या कोई भी जो आपको जानता है आपके साथ बैठकर किसी सक्सेसफुल पर्सन के बारे में ये बोले जो मैंने अभी आपको सब बोल के दिखाया, सो डेफिनेटली उनको मेरा ये वीडियो जरूर दिखाइएगा एंड डेफिनेटली इन्फॉर्म देम, सजेस्ट देम एंड एडवाइस देम दैट दे ऑल शुड ब्रेक these myths about successful people. So I will meet you with my next video on Break a Myth series. Till then, you keep smiling, keep spreading a lot of smiles, and yes, do like, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, just a second, can you please come here? And could you say what I want to say? If
And you haven't subscribed her,
then what are you waiting for? Subscribe, please.
like, subscribe, and what do you say?
Comment.
Comment and share. Do not forget to share, man.
Yes. So we both take your leave. Till then, take care.